Are you a nursing student struggling to find the perfect laptop? With endless hours of studying, clinical rotations, and online classes, you need a device that's powerful, portable, and reliable. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best laptops for nursing students, tailored to meet your academic and professional needs. Stick around to find the perfect match for your budget and workload. And hey, if you love a great deal, check out the links in the description to grab yours today. Let's get started. On number 5 is Apple MacBook with M2 chip. The Apple 2022 MacBook Air with M2 chip is a powerhouse wrapped in a sleek, ultra-portable design, making it one of the best laptops for nursing students. Weighing just 2.7 pounds with an 18-hour battery life, it's perfect for long study sessions, clinical rotations, and on-the-go learning. Powered by the M2 chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance for multitasking between medical research, lecture notes, and healthcare software. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display ensures crystal-clear visuals for anatomy studies, while the 1080p FaceTime HD camera is perfect for online classes. Apple Intelligence enhances productivity, helping students organize tasks effortlessly. While it lacks multiple ports, its MagSafe charging and Thunderbolt connectivity offer versatility. If you need a lightweight, powerful, and durable laptop, the MacBook Air M2 is a top choice for nursing students. What do you think? Let's discuss. At number 4 is ASUS ZenBook 13. Can a laptop be both ultra-slim and incredibly powerful? Meet the ASUS ZenBook 13, one of the best laptops for nursing students who need performance without the bulk. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics, it delivers seamless multitasking for research, medical simulations, and note-taking apps. The 13.3-inch OLED Full HD display with 400 nits brightness makes medical diagrams and videos pop with stunning clarity. Plus, the Intel Evo platform ensures fast responsiveness and an all-day battery perfect for long study sessions and clinical rounds. With 256GB SSD storage and 8GB RAM, it handles heavy workloads effortlessly. While it lacks a headphone jack, its compact, durable build and Windows 11 integration make it a top choice for nursing students. Would you pick this over a MacBook Air? Let's talk. On number 3 is HP Envy X360. The HP Envy X360 is a powerhouse and one of the best laptops for nursing students, flexibility and portability. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor with Radeon graphics, this 2-in-1 laptop ensures smooth multitasking for running medical software, researching, and attending online lectures. Its edge-to-edge Fedge touchscreen makes note-taking effortless, especially when using a stylus to annotate patient charts or study materials. With HP Fast Charge, you can power up to 50% in just 30 minutes, perfect for long hospital shifts or back-to-back classes. Running on Windows 11, it offers a refreshed interface, enhancing productivity and creativity. The lightweight and premium build makes it easy to carry, ensuring you stay efficient on the go. If you're searching for a reliable laptop for nursing school, the HP Envy X360 is a top choice for performance and convenience. At number 2 is Jumper Laptop 16-inch. The Jumper Laptop 16-inch is a budget-friendly powerhouse, perfect for nursing students who need performance without overspending. With a 3.4 GHz Quad N95 processor and 16GB DDR4 RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking for research, digital textbooks, and medical software. The 1152GB storage, 1TB SSD 128GB SSD provides ample space for files, while the 16-inch feed-off display offers crisp visuals for studying and virtual lectures. Compared to the top 5 best laptops for nursing students, it stands out for affordability and storage but falls short with a 1MP webcam and older Bluetooth 4.0. The 8-hour battery life keeps up with long shifts and multiple connectivity options add convenience. If you want a reliable, spacious laptop for nursing school at a fraction of the cost, the Jumper 16-inch is a solid contender. What's your take? Now moving to the last one is ASUS VivoBook 15. Looking for a budget-friendly yet reliable laptop for nursing school? Meet the ASUS VivoBook 15, a powerhouse that won't break the bank at just $319.99. Featuring an 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, This laptop is built to handle research, note-taking, and medical software with ease. The 5.6-inch Full HD NanoEdge display offers immersive visuals with an 83% screen-to-body ratio, perfect for reviewing anatomy diagrams or watching lectures. At just 3.97 elbs and 0.7 inches thin, it's incredibly portable, making it ideal for students on the go. The backlit keyboard ensures comfortable typing during late-night study sessions. While storage is limited, its durable design and anti-glare screen make it a top pick for nursing students. Would this be your go-to study companion? Let's discuss. After reviewing the top 5 best laptops for nursing students, one clear winner stands out: the HP Envy X360. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 2-in-1 touchscreen flexibility, and lightning-fast HP fast charge, it's the ultimate combination of performance, portability, and convenience. Whether you're jotting down notes, running medical software, or attending online lectures, this laptop keeps up with your demanding schedule. Plus, its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to carry from classrooms to clinical rotations. If you're looking for the best laptop for nursing school, the HP Envy X360 is the perfect investment. Let me know in the comments which laptop would you choose. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.